leadership and members of ICAI, Honorable Maryland State Senator, friends, I am delighted with the launch of the Washington, D.C. chapter of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. I believe that this would be ICAI's 40th overseas chapter and 6th in the United States. This is a commendable achievement. I am also happy to see the range of activities being organized by the various chapters and representative offices in the United States. Keep the momentum going. Friends, diplomats and CAs have few things in common. One, both are highly specialized professions. Two, both require an eye for detail. Three, both demand rigor and huge amount of hard work. Last but not the least, both are engines that ensure growth and stability of the respective organization or the country at large. So though we are different, we share a lot in common. I understand that there are over 300,000 chartered accountants in India. This constitutes about 10% of the total workforce of all chartered accountants in the world. This is a significant number. I am told there is a sizable number of Indian chartered accountants based in the United States too. Indian professionals have made their mark in every discipline in the United States and have been a source of strength for India-US relations. Their skills have contributed immensely to the growth of the US economy. They are also an important bridge between our two nations. As Ambassador of India to the US, I would like to underline that the people in both countries are at the heart of this relationship. As you are aware, there is a new administration in the United States led by President Biden and Vice President Harris. People ask me these days, what are our priorities in partnering with the new administration? I tell them about 5 main baskets: healthcare, digital and IT, education, climate change, in addition to strategic areas, of course. These are also broadly the areas touched upon by Prime Minister in his congratulatory call with the President on 17th November. Your expertise and experience can be critical in strengthening our two main baskets, digital and technology, as well as education and knowledge partnerships. I am glad ICAI has made pioneering efforts in digitization, including the recent launch of DigiLocker for members and students. I would also encourage ICAI Washington, D.C. chapter to have close coordination with the International Federation of Accountants and other global entities which are based in the United States. It would also be useful to have knowledge partnerships with key academic and professional organizations in the US. You can also share your insights gained from working overseas with your colleagues in India. Feel free to share your ideas with us too to make India-US partnership stronger and deeper. Friends, 2020 has been a tough year for the world. Fortunately, in 2021, we see hope with the vaccines. The whole of humanity is looking at coming out of the pandemic and getting the economies back on track soon as possible. In achieving both these objectives, India-US relations will play a key role. This would be important not just for our two countries, but for the world as a whole. Your competence in accounting, assurance, taxation, finance, and business advisory services will be important assets in expediting economic recovery in both our countries, as well as in accelerating global growth trajectory. I once again congratulate the founding team of ICAI Washington, D.C. chapter for their efforts We at the embassy and the consulates would be happy to support you in whatever way we can. Let there be more such good beginnings. Thank you.